In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Elementor menu within WordPress. Navigating the world of WordPress can feel like learning a new language, but don't worry, we're going to break it down into simple, manageable steps. Whether you're setting up a brand new menu or just tweaking an existing one, this guide will walk you through it. Let's dive right in. Start by accessing your WordPress dashboard. Once there, you'll want to look on the left-hand sidebar for the Appearance tab and click on Menus. This is your main hub for all things related to your site's navigational menus. If you don't yet have a menu to work with, no problem. You can easily create a new one. Just enter a name for your menu, something simple like Primary if it will serve as your main navigation menu, and hit the Create Menu button. This name is purely for your reference, so don't hesitate to choose something that makes sense to you. The next step involves populating your menu with items. You'll see boxes on the left-hand side allowing you to add various types of content. These can include pages, posts, custom links, or even categories. Simply check the box next to each item you want to include, and then click the Add to Menu button. These items will appear in the area on the right, where you can now start organizing them. Reordering your menu items is straightforward. You can click and drag each item to your desired position. Want Home to appear before About Us? Simply drag it to the top. This drag and drop interface is intuitive, offering a visual way to see exactly how your menu will look once published. If you want to add complexity and depth to your menu through submenus, you can easily do so by indenting child items under their parent items. For example, if you want Contact to be a submenu under About Us, simply drag Contact slightly to the right and beneath About Us. This creates a hierarchy within your menu, making navigation more user-friendly. Once you've carefully crafted your menu to your satisfaction, it's important to save your work. Look for the Save Menu button on the screen and give it a click. Before wrapping up, make sure to assign your newly created or edited menu to a location on your site. This is dependent on your theme, but common locations include the primary menu, footer menu, or social links. You'll select this from the options available in the Menu Settings section at the bottom. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully edited your Elementor menu. It will greatly enhance your site's navigation and improve the user experience for your visitors. Thanks for tuning in, and happy customizing.